Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we're talking about a number of different things. Melty Blood type Lumina, another Guilty Gear Strive open beta, ClayFighter for the Super Nintendo, updated CPT code of conduct, and finally a quick update on the PSP, PS Vita, and PS3 store situation. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, a few days ago I did a video about the rumor of the PS3, PSP, and PS Vita store shutting down. Unfortunately, Sony did confirm those rumors. In July, the PS3 and PSP stores will shut down, and in August, the PS Vita store shuts down. Although it sucks the stores are shutting down, there's still some silver lining here. You'll still be able to re-download and play previously purchased game titles. You will still be able to access previously purchased video and media content. You will still be able to redeem game and PlayStation Plus vouchers, and you will still be able to re-download and play claimed game titles through PlayStation Plus as long as you remain a member of the service. One of mine and many other people's biggest concerns of the store shutting down is losing access to previously purchased games, but fortunately that's not the case here, and that's a big thumbs up. Just a few days ago, Type Moon out of absolutely nowhere announced a brand new Melty Blood fighting game, Melty Blood Lumina. This game features rollback netcode and it will be released on PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, and Xbox One. On top of that, it features rollback netcode, and today they released the very first trailer of the game. I'll leave a link in the description below if you do want to check it out. I am very excited about this one and I can't wait to see how the game is. Surprisingly, Melty Blood type Lumina will be releasing this year. Currently there is no word on PS5, PC, or Xbox Series X or S, but I'm willing to bet it will be released on those systems. At the very least, at least the Nintendo Switch gets another potential great fighting game. Now speaking of good fighting games, let's move over to Guilty Gear Strive. There's a huge rumor right now about a second open beta test. Aside from the fact that the director of Guilty Gear Strive has reportedly said they want a second open beta, a lot of websites have been saying the second beta is confirmed. The so-called confirmation of a second beta was pulled from an image on Arc System Works' website where it lists that there's going to be another open beta. If we go over to the official Arc System Works website and click on that exact same image, it says something different. It says the open beta test bonus is already finished. Unless I'm missing something here, I really don't see any confirmation of a second beta, and based on that image there, I wouldn't have my hopes up for a second one either. If I am missing something though, let me know in the comments below. I would love to see a second beta. Some additional interesting news though from this update: if you do purchase the Deluxe or Ultimate Editions on PS4 or PS5, you will get access to all online modes, all chapters of the story modes, and all 15 playable characters on June 8th, which is a whopping 3 days before it comes out on June 11th. If you pre-order this on PC, it doesn't matter what version you get, it comes out on June 11th. Moving on to ClayFighter for Super Nintendo. Do you even remember this game? And if you have you played it? If you haven't, maybe now's a good time to start. This is a brand new ROM hack for ClayFighter on the Super Nintendo called Ultra ClayFighter Tournament Edition Public Beta 1. This ROM hack features new moves, new colors, and reduced input lag. The game plays a heck of a lot better and a lot faster than it did on the Super Nintendo. The development team is looking for feedback, so if you want to provide some feedback, now's your chance. I'll leave a link to this website in the description below if you do want to check it out. There's also an upcoming tournament if you're a competitive person. The tournament is going to be held on Fightcade 2. I do have a tutorial video on how to set up Fightcade 2, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. For more information on Ultra ClayFighter Tournament Edition Public Beta 1 or on this tournament, check out their Discord link. And last up in the news, this has a lot of people talking. Capcom has just updated the Capcom Pro Tour official terms and conditions. The part of this that has a lot of people talking is the updated CPT code of conduct, specifically the prohibited behavior. Here's where things get interesting. Prohibited behavior includes swearing, screaming, or threats, harassment online or in person, and harassment includes but is not limited to threats of physical violence, insults, offensive statements or actions related to gender, gender identity and expression, age, sexual orientation, disability, physical appearance, body size, race, and/or religion, sexual images in public spaces, deliberate intimidation but not limited to stalking or following, harassing photography or recording, sustained disruption of talks or other events, and inappropriate physical contact and unwelcome sexual attention. Insults are punishable wherever they are made, including but not limited to insults made during tournament matches, and whether they are made in person or electronically, including but not limited to text messages, blog postings, and or social media. So basically, at a high level here, Capcom expects all competitors in the CPT to act professionally, not unlike most major sports. A lot of people are talking about this because a lot of people are saying Capcom and esports are destroying the grassroots of the FGC. They're watering it down. And yeah, on one hand, that's kind of true. As events get bigger in exposure and funding, controls have to be put into place. When companies and sponsors are involved and it's on a global scale, this becomes a completely different beast. This is esports. But on the other hand, I really don't see anyone stopping these grassroots events from happening, provided nobody talks about it. In my opinion, esports FGC and grassroots FGC are completely different things. Where we're at as a society in 2020 is much more aligned with esports FGC. The grassroots FGC as we know it is kind of a bygone era. But anyways, that is all I've got for today. Let me know your thoughts on pretty much anything I talked about today in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.